So over here you can see that I got these save title margins right here. So I got save title margin and I got save action margin. So the one at the end is the action margin, while this right here is the save title margin right here. So if you want to go around and turn each of these individually on and off, then you can go around onto the text menu right here and go to view. And over here you can see that you can go around and disable out the save title margin right here, just like this. You can also go around and disable the save action margin and just enable the title, as you can see right here. Apart from that, there is the text baseline as well. So let me just go around over here and type something in right here, just like this. And if I were to go to text and then change around the text baseline right here, then you can see that that is what you have. Let me just go around onto disable. Then you can see a small line getting disabled right here, or you can go around and turn it on right here, as you can see. So you can individually turn on the save title action, and then you can go around and turn off the title action, the text baseline, as you like, as you can see. So that is how you can enable and disable save title margin, save action margin, and text baseline inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.